Hi friends, I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are unfamiliar with who I am, I'm Jennifer Razon and I am an artist based in Los Angeles, California. I enjoy traveling and the sport of running, which leads me to a quick story time. Back in 2019, I ran the Los Angeles Marathon for the first time. This was my first ever marathon, and then I ran it again in 2020. And with each race, I wanted to put some purpose and meaning behind it. So I decided to run for charity, and my charity of choice was City of Hope. City of Hope is an incredible hospital and organization located here in Southern California. They've done so much for the advancement of cancer research, treatment, and for diabetes. Now you may be asking, why City of Hope? Well, the inspiration of that came from my good friend Ian McLeod, whom you may have seen make some cameos if you're a frequent watcher of my YouTube channel. He himself is a runner and ran some marathons as well. But in 2013, Ian was diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia. And with the help of City of Hope, he was able to get the treatments that he needed, as well as bone marrow match and transplants. And since then, he's been thriving and living life, and hopefully getting back into running some races. And to this day, City of Hope is still a big help. And in the last few years, I've been able to make more connections with patients past and present, and to meet staff members who work there, to hear their personal stories of survival and hope, and why they continue to do the work that they do. To be able to see some of the research and all the advancements that have happened is beyond words. So that brings us to this moment right now. I'm happy to say that I will be running the 2024 Los Angeles Marathon. And of course, I guess, in keeping with tradition of putting purpose and meaning, I will be running for charity once again. And of course, that charity being City of Hope. The target goal this go around is $2,000. Every penny donated will be going to City of Hope, so I will see none of it. Now I understand circumstances may be a bit difficult for some of you at the moment, so please do not feel pressured or obligated to donate at the moment. But if you could help spread the word to as many people, I think that's a good trade-off. Now for those of you who do want to donate, you can go to the following websites. I will also put it in the link in the description if you're watching this from YouTube, and it will take you directly to my fundraising page where you can find all the information you need. And the really fun part, I will be documenting my training journey from day one of week 1 to the moment we cross that finish line. So it's gonna be really fun, and I'm looking forward to sharing that with you all. I run for those who aren't able to run. I'm so blessed and grateful to have been able to be on this journey in my life, and to hopefully be of some source of inspiration to someone out there. And of course, I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video and for your support. I'm truly grateful for it and appreciative, and it truly does mean a lot to me. I'm looking forward to sharing my journey with you and for you to come along with me. I hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you on the road. Take care.